This is Matilda, and Matilda is 9 years old, and Matilda was born with microcephaly, and that means that Matilda has got learning difficulties. She has seizures, she has some problems with her heart, some problems with her eyes, and Matilda has to have lots of tests done and go and see lots of different people at the hospital, don't you, Matilda? I used to absolutely dread taking her to any appointment because she'd get so upset that she'd just get into a panic, and we'd end up walking out of so many appointments because she just was too upset, even to be measured. Every time she goes to a paediatrician appointment, she has to be weighed and measured to see how her growth's going. She wouldn't even get on the scale, she wouldn't even go through the door, and she'd get that upset when she went that she had to be put to sleep to have her eyes tested. They would give her a full general anaesthetic just to do an eye test. So all hospital appointments were really quite awful, weren't they, Matilda?
They're awful.
So do you remember when Fiona came to play with you and you practised being the doctor?
Yes.
And what did you do?
I showed everyone how to do it.
What did you play with?
Wipes,
Keep
the
everything nice and clean.
thing, the pillow, the blanket, and the cuff, the bandage on your arm and your hand.
Yeah, so a few weeks after they came to see you, you had a seizure, didn't you? And you had to go to hospital.
Yes.
And when you got to the hospital and they got the things out, what did you do?
I let them do it.
She sat there and told them how to put it on her hand. And she was like, do you want me to be weighed? Do you want me to be measured? Do you want me to do my blood pressure? It's like just complete transformation. And she had to stop in hospital overnight, and she was just not worried. She recognised the uniform. She keeps pointing out the badge on the letters that she gets from the hospital. She sees people in the same uniform, and she's just not scared. Well, it's got a huge benefit for her that she's not scared, that she's not anxious, she's not worried, that it's no longer a dread. For me, it means that we can go and have the appointment and do the things that she needs to. Because when she goes in after a seizure, unless she has all of these checks done, they won't discharge her. So now we can be in and out in a couple of hours rather than being there all night. So it's so much better, isn't it, Matilda? And you're not scared if you have to stop in hospital anymore, are you?